Tigner Adventures. Today's adventure, we are at Papillon Grand Canyon Helicopter Adventures Tours. And we're going to take a tour. We're going to go on a helicopter.
For my first time.
This will be Ninette's first time. I've been on helicopters a lot. I used to be a foreman on one, and we flew everywhere. So, and even before we went full time, Ninette even bought a lesson for me. So I've had one helicopter lesson. So, but today is going to be her first time.
So they have a pretty good sized lobby here. Amazing how many people are coming in and out of here. And then over here on the right, they do have the nice little gift shop.
This is the waiting area. Notice the chairs made out of looking like fuselage or airplane parts or airplane seats or something.
Of course, we have to go through our safety briefing.
Lift up on the handle and push out. If your aircraft has large vista view windows, open the door by grasping the handle.
So Ninette's got her personal flotation attached to her body. That's the helicopter we're going to go get on. Are you excited?
Yeah. Are you?
Anybody in the back there does feel sick, there are bags in the middle, almost directly behind myself in that pepper pouch. We're going to be flying out over the forest for just a little while today before we get out over the canyon. There's different specific routes we have to follow since we're flying over the summer. Oh, it's from home. Oh. Alright, folks, we're just waiting on a couple of helicopters to come in and land, and then we should be good to go.
Are you excited?
Well, that was fun.
That was pretty cool.
Did you
Very
like it?
smooth. Yeah.
Well,
Let's go again.
Let me tell you, they're not always smooth.
Oh, okay. There's the next one. Taking
Yep.
off.
He's
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
that helicopter right between us. That's the one we went on. So,
Yeah.
good pilot, nice and smooth ride today. It's not
Yeah.
always that smooth. I've spent a lot of time in helicopters flying around. So I used to work for the BLM, fighting forest fires. So what do you think?
It was pretty cool. Probably have to do a few more of those. One in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Darn, we have to go back.
It was a good view. It
Yeah.
was fun seeing it from way up there and kind
You
of.
probably should have paid more to be in the front.
Oh, that's right. So if you wanted to be in the front, now
You get
if
better.
everyone wants to be in the front, then only one person gets to be in the front, of course. But whoever they pick to go in front pays $50 more for their ticket. So, but it's a whole different experience. A whole different.
We even
view.
got a pretty picture.
Got a pretty picture here. Yep. So they took the picture of that. We picked it up. It was $20. The flight today was. I can't remember exactly. They have all different kinds of them, but I think this was like $220 a piece or something. Is the flight that we went on? But they have a number
Don't
of
tell me
different. They have
Oh, what?
no foul language.
Oh, sugar, sugar.
So anyway, they have a number of different types of flights. So you just kind of pick which one you want and everything. This is on the south rim of the Grand Canyon. So with that said, we'll go ahead and close our video. Thanks for watching, and this was really a fun adventure, and hopefully you guys got to feel the adrenaline of flying over such a big area in the Grand
The
Canyon.
excitement.
270 miles long. The river runs 270 miles through the Grand Canyon. That is a long ways. So anyway, we'll just
Might be around
we'll
it.
hopefully see you down the canyon.
Down the canyon.
Hopefully we'll see you down the road somewhere, and if not, on our next video. So take care.
Bye.